My dear students, in this video we shall see a critical evaluation of the poem Bangle Sellers. The main theme of this poem is on the celebration of Indian womanhood. This poem talks about bangles for all women. Each stage of an Indian woman's life, from a dreamy maiden to an excited bride, and finally to a mature matriarch, has special colors of bangles. So every age has a special color of bangles. The poem talks about the spiritual and symbolic importance of the bangles. Poem talks about rainbow tinted bangles, that is to say, the multicolored, is a symbolic of different shades of Indian womanhood. Just like rainbow has got multiple colors, there is also multiple stages in the life of a woman. The poem talks about some of the bangles meant for maiden's wrist, namely white, blue, silver mist of the mountain, shades of pink of yet to blossom flowers, and clear dewdrops on the newborn leaves. This is indicative of the freshness and beauty of the young maidens. For bride, there are different types of bangles. Yellow and red fit for the wedding day. Golden colored bangles like the holy fire, which are of her heart's desire, is symbolically suggestive of dreams and hopes of a newly wedded bride. The golden colored bangles, compared to the yellow sunlit cornfield, are suitable for a bride. Cornfield, a proof of nature's fertility, is symbolic of the fertility of a young girl getting married. For the middle-aged woman, purple, gold-flecked grey bangles are suitable for the middle-aged woman. The maiden turned into wife and now experienced all aspects of being a woman. Hence, she takes pride in it. She takes pride because she has become a wife and she has experienced all the aspects of being a woman and she has been successful. Therefore, she is proud of her responsibility. Specks of grey add the touch of maturity that comes with age. The woman is a perfect mother whose greatness and glory is stressed. She is an equal partner in the maintenance of family relationship. Her motherhood, state of being a bride and a wife, and a motherhood are portrayed in this particular poem. The woman feel fulfillment and contentment in life. The rainbow tinted bangles celebrate the beauty and meaning of womanhood. Now let us come to the style of the poem. Let us look at the form and structure. It is definitely a lyrical poem in the folk style. It uses simple imageries from everyday life and sight. It has got 4 stanza with 6 lines and the rhyming scheme is AABBCC. We can also see simile here. Like simile means likeness or similarity between two things. A kind of likeness or a similarity between two things. Examples: tinkling of bangles like the young bride's laughter. So young bride's laughter is like the tinkling of bangles, luminosity of the bangle, the colorfulness of the bangle is like the bridal tears. Yellow cornfields like the yellow bangles. So these are compared. The bridal tears compared to the luminosity of the bangle. Yellow cornfield like the yellow bangles. We can also see metaphor used here. Metaphor means a comparison between two different things, and it is implied. Rainbow tinted circles of light. What does it mean? It indicates, implication is that it's a bangle. Lustrous tokens of radiant lights. What are that? They are bangles. So there is this phrase here, metaphor used here, and the implication is that they imply bangles. We can also see a lot of imagery is used here. Imagery is actually based on touch, smell, sight, hearing and taste. Here we can see various visual imageries. Rainbow tinted bangles. It is used to express multicolored bangles pointing towards the hopes, dreams, youthfulness and aspirations of a woman. Mountain mist is another visual imagery. Mist on the mountain is appreciated with its changing of color from the white to silver or blue. Third visual imagery is the purple colored bangles. It indicates power, authority, pride and dignity. Gold flecked grey. It indicates experience and wisdom. Woman has attained fullness of her role as a wife and mother. Auditory imageries also we can see here. Number one is tickling. It refers to the sound of the bangles, symbolic of her youthful entry into new life with husband. We can also see bridal laughter. It refers to the joy and happiness of entering into a life with her husband. So these are two auditory imageries, tinkling and bridal laughter. We know what is bridal laughter, refers to the joy and happiness. Tinkling is the tinkling of the sound of the bangles, symbolically of her joyful entry into a new life with her husband. Alliterations we can see the S sounds coming up here, B sound coming up here, F sound, H sound, ST sound and B sound. These are alliterations, repetition of consonant sounds, and that is abound in stanza 3. Now let us go to the critical evaluation of this poem. Let's see how this poem is relevant today. The poet loved the common flock and their land, and that is very clear from this particular poem. Sarojini Naidu loved the common flock and their land. Lot of imageries are taken from their land, from their life situation. She celebrates their occupation, their joys and sorrows in a number of lyrics, and in this particular poem she talks about cornfields. So it simply shows that she is interested and she is making a mention of it in her poem, their occupation. Various colorful bangles indicate various aspects of life. Very powerfully she presents the various aspects of life with various colors of bangles. Different colors are used to express human feelings. The poem promotes Indianness and Indian culture. It celebrates the Indian woman in vivid colors and roles. Bangle sellers are sellers of happiness. They sell happiness to others. They are not mere sellers of bangles. In fact, bangles are symbols of happiness. So anyone who is buying bangles is actually buying happiness according to this poem. Bangles are symbolic and they have a religious significance. My dear students, it's a fine example of lyrical poetry by Sarojini Naidu. Bangle Sellers is the song of a man who sells bangles at the village fair and temple towns. Different bangles symbolizes the different stages in a woman's life. That's all for today. Have a pleasant stay and learn nicely. Thank you.